Welcome, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. You see, I'm talking about coronavirus again. Uh, I had, in fact, I had written an article on conjunction of Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter way back on 17 September 2019. And in that, I had elaborated that this eclipse of 26th December 2019, which is taking place at IST 10:43 a.m., it is enigmatic for China. I had discussed this chart in this article, and this since the Lagna rising was Aries in the case of China, and the Yoga Lord was also Mercury. The sixth Lord is also Mercury, and the Yoga Lord is also Mercury, and it is the eclipse is taking place over the 12th house, and the 12th Lord Jupiter, which is fallen, and this is also a 22nd Gresh Cone sign. 22nd Gresh Cone sign is a dreaded sign, and it is not good. It is not considered good, especially when it is transiting in that sign. Any malefic transiting in this sign or in trinal houses is extremely bad. And then, first of all, Ketu has transited in this sign on the 23rd of March 2019. In fact, the virus comes the very day when the Ketu comes there, and then Jupiter joins there. Jupiter joins there on the 5th of November. And you can see for yourself, in fact, the virus development would have taken place after the 5th of November. And then the eclipse has taken place on the 26th. And there is a cluster of 6 planets in the sign Sagittarius. You see in the foundation chart of China, the sign in the foundation chart is of 1st October 1949, 15:15 hours peaking. Now, China has a Capricorn sign, and Moon is placed in the Lagna, and debilitated Mars is placed in the 7th house. And this eclipse has taken place in the 12th house. And on 27th of September, when Rahu entered in Ardra Nakshatra, the same day, the Dasha of Mercury started for China. And Mercury is placed in the 9th house with disease Karka Ketu. Mercury is retrograde and it is totally eclipsed by Ketu, the disease Karka. Now, it is placed in its own sign in the 9th house. Since it is placed in the own house, 9th house, it loses the lordship of the 6th house. So 6th house becomes very weak. And in the D6 chart, in the case of China, the sixth, the sign Sagittarius is rising, the 12th house is rising, and the Lord of the same is fallen. You see, any Lagna rising in any particular Varga and the Lord is weak, so it becomes proneness. So what happens? The country is prone to problems as far as the diseases are concerned, because one, the Sagittarius sign is rising, the other is the lordship of the 6th house is lost by Mercury because it is placed in one house. As per classical text of Tamil, if a planet owns two houses and if it is placed in one house, then it loses the lordship of the other house. That is a constraint. So, and we can see for ourselves, the virus has spread from China. And I have used Rashi Sangata Chakar, I have used Kurma Chakar, I have used Kota Chakar, I have used the Rudramsha chart, and according to all the charts, the predictions are coming as per Kota. First of all, the Rashi Sangata Chakar is showing till 1st of May, the conditions are extremely bad, and we have seen for ourselves the virus has spread. It is on full throttle. It is spreading like anything, and especially in the case of US. US is running the Dasha of Rahu, and Rahu is placed in the what do you call the 12th house, and Rahu is transiting over the 4 natal planets in the 11th house where the eclipses are taking place. So And US has been affected the most now, and we can see for ourselves as per theory I have discussed in my last article. Now, as far as India is concerned, I have used the Kota Chakkar and other parameters. On the 26th of February, all the planets were gripped by Rahu Ketu. It's a Kal Aroha Kal Sarp Yoga, and till all the planets are out, till all the planets, mind you, and especially the sun, which is eclipsed, and the Yoga Lord and the sixth Lord, Mercury, till they are out of the grip of Rahu and Ketu, there will be no respite. This is one part. The other part is in the Kota Chakra, the Kot Swami is Jupiter and Kot Pal is Saturn. Both are placed badly. On the 26th, they were placed well. On the 27th, on the 27th, uh, what do you call this? Saturn goes in a bad zone, and he is the Kot Pal. But Kot Swami was inside. Kot Swami Jupiter was inside, so there was not much effect on India. But the day Kot Swami came out of the court, the virus spread, and we can see ourselves. I will give you the link, and you can see all the graph and the Kota Chakra findings are exactly matching 100% spot on. And as per Rudramsha chart, after the 8th of July, we will get some relief. As per Rashi Sangata Chakra, after the 1st of May and after the 4th of May, because Rahu will change its nakshatra. Rahu has been the nakshatra partner, which is also a dreaded one. So it leaves Mrigashira. Mrigashira is a very cool nakshatra, is a friendly nakshatra. So, but since Mars is placed in 6-8 axis till 4th of May, it is not good. And then till 4th of May, one good part is that there will be a virus vaccine development also, which will have a constraint till the planets are gripped by Rahu and Ketu. So all this taking into consideration, Kota Chakra shows, first of all, the sun will come out of the grip of Rahu and Ketu. It will leave the sign Gemini on the 17th of July. So 17th of July is will be a marked. There will be a marked difference. Then Mercury also crosses Rahu degrees, 5 degrees on the 28th and 29th of May. But you see, mind you, if there is an enemy sitting in your house, you can't do anything. So until unless the what do you call the planet or the planet Rahu leaves that sign, there will be difficulty definitely. But he will be out of the grip of Rahu on the 2nd of August, but he will not be in its own sign. So till he reaches his own sign on the 2nd of September, Mercury, the Yoga Lord and the sixth Lord, then you will get some respite on the 2nd of September. First, on the 2nd of August, it will be out of the grip. We will still feel some difference. Then before that, 16th of July, when Sun is out of the grip of Rahu and Ketu, and then when Sun goes in its own sign, is 17th of August, and then when Mercury goes in its own sign, 2nd of September, and as per Kota Chakra, 27th till 26th are very grim conditions. You know, from 30th of April, sorry, 30th of March to 26th of July are very bad conditions as per Kota Chakra, because both the Kot Swami and the Kot Pal are not placed well, they are not placed in good zones. So what happens on the 27th? The Kot Swami moves towards the Kota. So there is a positive indication after the 27th of July. But there are other planets, luminaries should also not be afflicted. So on the 22nd of August, the luminaries are also benefited. There are benefits going inside the Kota and good, but Jupiter in that condition will be in a fallen state. It will be weak, but it will be inside his in the court. So definitely there will be some relief. So primarily speaking, that and then Ketu leaves the sign Sagittarius on the 20th of September. We will feel some relief, but mind you, Saturn will remain the court pal is not protecting. It is not in a protecting stage. So Saturn will go in a benefic zone, and as a guard, he will improve only in March and April 2021. So that, what does it mean? It means that even if the woes and effects of coronavirus may be reduced, the fear may remain, and we will have to maintain the social distancing, because Saturn is Karka for masses. So, and the other part is, which no astrologer has discussed. No astrologer has discussed the Rashi Sangata Chakra. No astrologer has talked about Rudramsha chart. No astrologer has talked about Kurma chart. And no astrologer has talked about Kota Chakra. These are the handy tools, which clearly show in how things will improve and when things will improve. What I was talking was, in the sign Capricorn, the planets below 10 degrees are in Nigda Dreshko. They give confinement, they give imprisonment. And I'll give you an example in the case of Salman Khan. He has Mars in the 10th house, less than 10 degrees. He is 9 degrees, and you know it for yourself that he has been imprisoned a number of times. This He has no other combinations. I was looking at the chart, so I found that any planet which is placed in the sign Capricorn and less than 10 degrees, it is in Nigda Direshkon, and it gives confinement, it gives imprisonment. So Saturn and Jupiter both are less than 10 degrees in Capricorn. So they will give some confinement to the world. Confinement, imprisonment. We are imprisoned. We are imprisoned in our houses. We can't move out. So it is a confinement. So till Saturn crosses 10 degrees, my dear sir, the whole world is going to be in a difficult situation. Nobody has talked about this parameter, and people are just giving odd days and time frames. Coronavirus will finish on this date, coronavirus will finish on that date. Singapore has given a date of 9th. Singapore, other dates are matching with my Kota Chakra as far as India is concerned. Amazing that whatever dates they have given and whatever dates I've mentioned in my article, they are matching. But they say 9th of December, the whole world will be free from coronavirus. I disagree, because Saturn will not cross 10 degrees. Till Saturn and Jupiter cross 10 degrees, we will not respect, especially Saturn, because it is connected to the masses. Jupiter is wealth. Jupiter is expansion. So till Jupiter crosses 10 degrees, there may not be expansion in our activities. There may not be expansion in the infrastructure. There may not be expansion in our business and expansion in our wealth. So till Saturn crosses 10 degrees, we will have to maintain social distancing, and that probably maybe only after uh, April, I think. I've not seen it, but I can just give you in a rough example that it will be around April or May next year. So the woes, the after effects of coronavirus may be there. Coronavirus may go away, but till Jupiter crosses the 10 degrees, we will not be able to expand. We will not be able to do anything. Our activities will be limited. And Saturn, when till it crosses 10 degrees, it is Nigda Dreshmon, confinement, imprisonment. So we are bound, just like a bonded labor. We are confined in our house. We can't move out due to the fear of coronavirus. But my dear friends, one thing good will be there. There will be a vaccine development which will definitely come, and the masses will get some relief. So that's what all I just wanted to share. Whatever researches I make, I want to share with everybody, and I want to put on record. I write an article and I discuss it on YouTube. It will be good for the astrology lovers, and they will find it very handy. And whosoever is interested in mundane astrology, he will also learn and the techniques for predicting. The other thing is Rahu from the 27th of April till 1st of April, it is in a adverse motion. It gives unpredictable results. if the it can give unexpected. Normally it what it does, if the market is going down, it changes the tone, it changes the things, it will go start going up. And sometimes the market is going up, it all promotes it to a higher level, and that's what has happened. So till 1st of May, the market will keep rising. But mind you, after the 1st of May, then you could find the actual things. Rahu is also known for, you know, what do you call, showing things which are hidden. Hidden things will come out all of a sudden in the stock market or in any field for that purpose. So friends, I just wanted to share this, and with this, I will say bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you.